In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add audio to a video in After Effects and how to create a smooth fade-in and fade-out effect to make your video sound more dynamic. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have your video clip in the timeline. Next, drag your audio file into the timeline as well. The first thing we need to do is match the length of the audio with the video. If your video is longer than the audio, you can duplicate the audio clip or add multiple audio tracks to cover the full length of the video. If your video is shorter than the audio, you can either trim the audio or add additional video clips to match the audio length. Once the audio and video are aligned, we can start adding the fade-in and fade-out effects. Start by selecting your audio clip in the timeline, then press the L key twice on your keyboard. This will open up the audio waveform, allowing you to see the volume levels of your audio. To add the fade-in effect, click on the stopwatch icon next to Audio Levels to create a keyframe. Set the value to -50 decibels, which will make the audio start off very quiet. Then, move your playhead forward to the point where you want the fade-in to end. At this point, set the audio levels value back to 0. This will gradually increase the volume from quiet to full, creating a smooth fade-in effect. Now, let's add the fade-out effect. Move your playhead to the point where you want the fade-out to begin and create another keyframe by clicking the stopwatch next to Audio Levels. Set the value to 0 to keep the volume at full. Then, move the playhead to the end of the audio clip and set the audio levels to -50 decibels again. This will gradually decrease the volume, creating a smooth fade-out effect. Now, play back your timeline to listen to the fade-in and fade-out effects.
I know you're scared, you wanna hide away sometimes. I know you heard from everyone telling you lies. So just lay down beside me, give me all your issues, I'll take them and I'll make.
If you're happy with the result, you can go ahead and export your video. It will include both the audio and the fade effects we just created. That's it. You've successfully added audio to your video and applied fade-in and fade-out effects in After Effects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.